Hey, welcome to Arizona Barbecue Outfitters. We're doing a video on our 2018 stainless steel Scottsdale cooker. This grill is fabricated from 10-gauge stainless steel for the lid and base. And here on the Firebox, it's fabricated out of 3/16 stainless steel plate, all 304. And I'll start at this side of the grill and work my way that way. The grill comes with a collapsible side shelf here. Simply lift it up and it stays in place. These are the Rotisserie Brackets for a rotisserie system by Spitjack. These are stainless steel gas shocks to assist in opening the lid. Coming around here to the front, and I'll kind of show you how easy it is to lift. You just lift it up, one hand, takes it on back. Drop down for the face. It has the Argentine style grates here, trough. It goes over to this hole right here, and on this side, you can drain the grease out. Makes cleaning the trough or getting like a baste over here to put on your food. Makes it real simple to do that. It has a charcoal grate inside. The charcoal grate's 3/16 304 stainless steel. This piece of expanded is not, it's mild steel. Since you're gonna light a fire on it, it's important making it stainless. One of the things that I'll go over here is our grates. One of the things that we do that we think is kind of unique to our grills is we make our grates interchangeable. So this is the Argentinian style grate. Just lift it out, that's how it comes out. Down here, we have our 3/8 solid round stainless steel grate. And that just simply drops right in. As you can tell, you can interchange it so you can have that grate here or the Argentine grate. You also get a stainless steel rake. Set that down. Now this grill is set up for the Spitjack rotisserie system. And here's the motor, the support brackets, and you would slide the spit into the motor, obviously without the grates in it, and you would just basically elevate the spit to the position you want. And another thing we've done to our grills is we make the lid where it can be closed down onto the spit. Simply just remove the rod out of the way. Coming over on this side, we have obviously the grease petcock, and then here another collapsible shelf. Just drop it in place. One of the things pretty unique to our grills is when we receive the metal, it's a mill grade finish, so it doesn't look like this. This is the burnished look that we put on the grill as an option. And if you come in and look close, the lid will get almost a look like you would see on an appliance, such as a refrigerator or a dishwasher in your house. The look down here on this steel plate, we don't really quite get that look as you do on the lid there, and that's just because of the I guess mill grade of the metal. But we do burnish it and get it to look shiny. We do make it very thick down here, so if you're going to put a wood fire in it, you want to start the heat off slowly, so you're introducing the metal to the heat, and then you can gradually get it hotter and hotter, and the metal will keep that shape. But we make it very heavy duty. The base down here is 10-gauge, but it's burnished just like the lid is here. So this again is our stainless steel Scottsdale cooker, 304 stainless steel. This is the 24x42. You can go to our website, www.azbbqgrills.com, and you'll see it listed there. If you got any questions, you can call the shop, 520-622-8335, and we can answer any questions you have. Now, subscribe to us on YouTube. That would be awesome. Thanks a lot for looking, and have a great day.